Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix auto brightness not working on Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. Let's begin! So, first of all, let's simply check if we have our auto brightness enabled. We can do that by heading into the settings, then scrolling down into display, and then, well, just enabling the adaptive brightness, because as you can see, I have mine disabled. And just simply enabling it or disabling and then enabling it once again should help with any kind of auto brightness related issues. However, if it's not helping for whatever reason, you also probably want to check if you don't have power saving mode enabled. This is because, by default, if we go here, you will notice that it does decrease the brightness by 10%, and if you have some sort of system, like by routine or automatic, that will enable the power saving mode sometimes, this will also sometimes just decrease the brightness. It does help your battery, but it does give you the illusion that something is wrong with your auto brightness. But if you made sure that this is fine and it's working properly, and your in display you have your adaptive brightness enabled, you probably want to reboot your device by expanding the control center and then clicking power icon and then restart. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, rebooting your device really helps. Not only you are rebooting the software, but hardware as well, including the sensors in your camera that are responsible for detecting the light levels around you, and then using that information, the adaptive brightness feature can actually do the magic, which is pretty cool. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.